Good morning and welcome to week 8 of Strategic Management from Professor Dr. Neil Armstrong. And in week 8, we're going to talk about corporate governance and business ethics. So it's going to be all these different things that we're trying to go after here. So we're trying to describe the shared value, created formats, or framework, and its relationship to its competitive strategy, the role of corporate governance, and all these lovely things. So the relationship between strategy and business ethics. So the required resources we're going to look at this week, we're going to look at Chapter 12 of our textbook. Let's see, and we also have a PowerPoint as well for you guys to watch and look at as well. So let's go ahead and look at the assignments and see kind of what we need to have do this week. So we have the discussion board post and we have the assignment as well. I'll definitely post some YouTube videos to kind of help introduce some of the other subjects as well. So you'll have that. But that's kind of what we have going on this week. One thing I wanted to mention before the end of this week is that I'm proud of each one of you for your accomplishments in this class so far. And we're about to end up the week and the class. So I definitely appreciate you taking this class with me. And if you have any questions or need anything in this class or after this class, feel free to reach out. Happy to help where I can. Thanks and have a great day.